Hi friends, today topics bioremediation and environmental impact assessment. My name is Anina Kayev, first year MSc Biology St. Mary's College, Thrissur. What is bioremediation? It is use of living organism to degrade the environmental pollutant or to prevent the pollution. Ideal alternative technology for removing pollutant from the environment. Naturally occurring microbes that have better pollutant degradation kinetics attack a wide range of pollutant compounds. Researchers also have using genetic engineering to develop new microbial strain with novel biodegradative capabilities. Adding genes that code for enzymes that break down toxic chemicals to microorganisms able to survive and grow in much disturbed and harsh environment. Application: specific microorganisms that can biodegrade toxic chemicals like hydrocarbons, chlorinated solvents in industrial wastewater. Pseudomonas apiaceae are able to biodegrade chlorinated hydrocarbons. Textiles and dye industries using the bacterium Acetobacter to treat their wastewater. It used to treat sites contaminated with heavy metals. Pseudomonas putida, Arthrobacter, Cetrobacter removes several toxic heavy metals. Radioactive metals as uranium, thorium are removed by Rhizopus penicillium chrysogenum. Next is environmental impact assessment. EIA is a process of evaluating the likely environmental impact of a proposed project or development. UNEP defines EIA as a tool used to identify the environmental, social, and economic impact of the project prior to decision making. It aims to predict the environmental impact at the early stage in the project planning. EIA links environment with development for environmentally safe and sustainable development. It provides a cost-effective method to eliminate or minimize the adverse impact of the developmental project. If an EIA required an environmental assessment impact report will be written and is submitted with the application for the development consent. The public will have the chance to comment. EIA has 5 main stages. First one, screening, deciding if an EIA is required. Second one, scoping, deciding what needs to be covered in the assessment and reported in the EIA report. Third one, preparing the EIA report. The EIA report has to include the likely significant environmental impact of the development. The fourth one, making an application and consultation. The EIA report and development applications must be published. Interested parties and the public must be given an opportunity to give their views on it. The fifth one, decision making. EIA report and many comments made on it must be taken onto account by the competent authority before they decide whether to give consent for the development. Decision notice has to be published. The sixth one, post decision. The developer starts any monitoring required by the competent authority. The competent authorities decide whether to grant consent for the project. Information from the EIA process must be looked at when making a decision. The 2017 regulations divide the project into two different types: Schedule 1 project and Schedule 2. In Schedule 1 project, always require EIA, that include large-scale project with obvious environmental impact such as crude oil refineries, nuclear generating stations and other nuclear reactor, large-scale quarries and open cast mining. Schedule 2 project, it will only require EIA if it is decided that the project is likely to have significant environmental impact, like industrial estate development project on electric line installed above the ground. This is a reference. Thank you.